Every man wants to have the armor of Tony Stark. I am one of them. I was searching for electronic parts all over the internet to make the idea into reality.
But
with my last hope, I came to Huaqiang, North China, the largest electronic market in the world. Until I found UTSOURCE. On UTSOURCE, I can get all the electronic parts that I'm looking for by sitting indoors. UTSOURCE, a Stark industry supplier for geeks, electronic parts over your fingertips.
UTSOURCE could meet all your needs on electronic parts, no matter you are geeks, small enterprise, electronic maintaining company, or electronic research agent.
UTSOURCE, make your dream come true.